Hello everybody! In comments to my videos, you asked me which face masks you can actually use in the area around your eyes and your eyelids. If you've paid enough attention in my previous videos about face masks, I actually told you which ones you can use in the area around your eyes. But today I prepared for you some recipes that are especially good for this area. Since the skin around your eyes is very gentle and sensitive, the components of the face mask are also gonna be very gentle. But before doing a face mask, I would recommend a short massage. It's going to loosen the circular eye muscle, as well as your forehead and your temples, since youth of your eyes depends on the state of these muscles. This exercise helps against droopy eyelids and wrinkles around your eyes, as well as opening up your eyes in general. And additional face mask is going to help you boost the state of your skin. With the first exercise, we're going to loosen the forehead muscle because when it's over-contracted, it results in droopy eyelids. We are going to soften the forehead muscle. For that, place the fingers of one hand on your forehead and move the skin apart from the bone in all different directions. First moving up and down, and then side to side. The next exercise is going to lift your eyebrows up and is going to fight the droopy eyelids. Place fingers of one hand above your eyebrow and lift your eyebrow up. And do a point tapping massage with the finger of the other hand. Doing this exercise on the other side as well. Now let's loosen your temple muscles. For that, stick your fingers to your temples and massage them in circular motions. Make sure that your fingers are not sliding along the skin. Then move your fingers and continue doing the circular motions. Completing the exercise with gentle sliding motions along your temples. Now let's loosen the circular muscle of your eye. With the fingers of one hand, lift the end of your eyebrow up. And with the fingers of the other hand, gently tap through the area of your circular eye muscle. Move on to the other side. Lift the end of your eyebrow up and gently tap through the area of your circular eye muscle. For the first face mask, you are going to need 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. Put it into a coffee grater or blender, and after that pour 30 to 50 milliliters of boiling milk over it. And add a couple of drops of your favorite face oil. You can also use fish oil, which is very rich with nutrients. You can also directly apply it to the area of your eyes or just add it to your face mask. This is the consistency that you should get in the end. You can apply this face mask to your face with a brush. It's important that your skin is cleansed before applying the face mask. So don't be like me who has makeup on. Apply your face mask on a cleansed skin. I guess that's a bit more than just the area around your eyes. Anything that you can apply under your eyes, you can also apply all over your face. But yeah, I guess I skipped it a little bit. You can also apply this face mask in the area of your upper lid. For that, you can use a cotton pad. Just put some of the product on it. Put it over your eyelid and lay down horizontally. And rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After the time passed, cleanse your face with cool water and apply green tea as a toner. For the next face mask, you are going to need 1 teaspoon of soft butter and 1 teaspoon of banana. Mash them together with a fork and apply in the area around your eyes. You can also do it with a brush. You can also apply this face mask all over your face if you need to. You can also use this face mask on your upper eyelids, using the same technique with cotton pads. You can also do a gentle massage along the face mask, moving along the skin with gentle sliding motions. This will help the face mask to be more effective. Make sure you do it very gently. And after 10 minutes, rinse it off with warm water. The next face mask is very interesting and we made it in the form of eye patches. For that, you're going to need agar-agar or gelatin, depending on which one is easier to find for you. Dissolve it in 100 milliliters of hot water and let it boil. And add 1 crushed leaf of aloe vera to this mixture. And pour the liquid into a form and let it sit. When your face patches cool down and form a shape, you can remove them and place on your eyes. You can also cut this circle in half and place it in the area of your lower eyelids. If you have forms for eye patches, that's even better for you. And they even look pretty, right? And leave them on for 10 to 15 minutes. These face patches you can store in the fridge for a couple of days, but make sure you put them in a container with a lid. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget clicking the bell to be the first person to see our newest video.